When I first met Dr. Jane in 1993, she suggested that our school have a Roots and Shoots group. And 2 years later, in 1995, we did. That Roots and Shoots group has been going strong ever since, to this day. And it became so much a part of the fabric of our school's identity, the fabric of our school's existence. We wove it into not just the after-school service projects that we were doing, but we made it a part of our curriculum. We wove it into our science, social studies, language arts curricula, so that it was a part of everything we did. It also affected me at a very deep and personal level, from my experiences visiting Tanzania 3 different times, to my experiences meeting teachers who were involved with Roots and Shoots across the United States. It helped me develop some lasting friendships. It actually gave me the topic for my research, for my dissertation. I studied students of my own who had gone through the Roots and Shoots program and now were young adults, to learn how Roots and Shoots affected them. So it was a part of everything I did for the last more than 25 years. Roots and Shoots gives me energy. Roots and Shoots gives me joy. Roots and Shoots gives me hope. To be recognized by Dr. Jane for this Lifetime Achievement Award is truly an honor and a thrill beyond description. I think it is probably the greatest award that I have ever received in my career. Dr. Jane, you have been my hero since I was 12 years old, and to be recognized by you is just momentous for me. It is a milestone in my life, and thank you so much, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be the person I am today. You have influenced me. You've influenced my career, my teaching practices, my behaviors as an individual. And I so appreciate that you recognized me for this Lifetime Achievement Award. I cannot begin to express my gratitude enough.